Hey CrossFit Mainline, Coach Chelsea here with your WOD brief for this kind of rainy Monday. What we're going to start the week off with is what we're calling ceiling fan. Ceiling fan is a 15-minute AMRAP. You're going to start with 20 alternating either dumbbell or kettlebell snatches, and then 40 double unders. If you don't have double unders, you can do 60 singles, or you can go 60 dot hops. Then you're going 20 dumbbell or kettlebell overhead reverse lunges. You are also going to alternate legs on these 20, and then 40 double unders or 60 singles or 60 dot hops. It's a 15-minute AMRAP here today, guys. We're just looking for a consistent effort. Start the week off strong, and I will see you guys on Tuesday.